Hello everyone, we are here to present our mega project for the assessment. Our project group number is 2 and we are presenting our project topic, that is Advanced Footstep Power Generation System. As we know, day by day the population of country is increasing and the requirement of power is also increasing. At the same time, the wastage of energy is also increasing in many ways. So, reforming this energy back to the usable form, this is the major solution. So, we chose this project as the advanced footstep power generation of the system. In this footstep power generation project, we are using or generating the power with the footstep. This power is used to recharge the batteries. The stored power is used to charging the LEDs or glowing the lights or charging mobile phone, etc. Actually, here is the chart where we see the block diagram, also the components, that is major minor components we use, software we used, the main objective of this project, its application, then its advantages, disadvantages. Actually, the main objective of this project is to save the power and to generate the energy through piezoelectric sensors and it get controlled by the RFID, that is radio frequency identification. Here, for the safety security purpose, RFID is get used. This system is powered by Atmega controller. When we power on the system gets into the registration mode. If we can registered 3 users, suppose let's consider one user entered into the system and asked to swipe the card and connect the charging. Initially, if we use 5 minutes of charging time as a default, when we swipe the card and system is authorized, then the system turn on the charging and will charge our mobile phones. Just in case if user wants to stop charging in the midway, user needs to swipe the card again, and then remaining charging time balance is displayed and the charging stops. In order to charge a card, we need to press the recharge button in the system, and then the system uh, enable that authorized user some more minutes of charging to it. It gives more 5 minutes to user. Actually, this example is as simple as the hotel example. When we enter the hotel, we got a card, that is an RFID card. We use it to open the door. Just like that, for the security purpose, here is also it is using as that mechanism only. We are using RFID here for the security purpose. Actually, this project is already built at some places like Nagpur railway station. It was there before 2-3 years, and at the Delhi metro station also this one is applied. This is the introductory part up till now we get. Now for the further hardware, now in the further video, in this video furtherly you get the hardware, what exactly the working of this project, what are its another applications, its advantages, disadvantages, all things you get furtherly in this video. So now I'm handing over to my project mate to explain you how exactly this project works and what is the exact hardware it get used over here.
Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Lote. Today I am explaining the footstep power generation working principle of footstep power generation system. Footstep power generation system is working on the principle of piezoelectric principle. What is meant by piezoelectric principle? Piezoelectric principle is the when the mechanical force is applied on it, it will generate the electrical signal and electrical signal. Uh, when the force is applied on this piezoelectric disc, this piezoelectric disc is connected in this way. Here the numbers of piezoelectric sensor are connected in series and parallel connection to to produce the large number of voltage. Then when the force is applied on this piezoelectric plate, the voltage is generated across it, and it will give the full wave rectifier circuit. This full wave rectifier circuit convert the AC voltage into DC voltage, and this DC is constant voltage is required to blow the LEDs. Blow the LEDs. When the force is applied on the piezoelectric material, a charge is generated across it. Let's consider three piezoelectric sensors are connected in series to connected in series. Is equivalent capacitance become equivalent capacitance become 1 by C equals to 1 upon C, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. We know that the charge is equal to uh, capacitance into voltage. Therefore, capacitance equals to charge upon voltage. Therefore, equivalent voltage is V1 plus V2 plus V3. The net voltage generated across the equivalent voltage is the whole individual voltage generated by each piezoelectric sensor. Let us consider one piezoelectric sensor is produced 10 volt, then the equivalent resistor is 30 volt. This is the maximum piezoelectric generated across it. As the weight varies, then the power generation of power is also vary. If the 40 kg a person step on the physioelectric footstep, then it will generate the 0.05 watt. And if 75 kg weight having person is step on the footstep, this physioelectric footstep, then it will generate the 0.09 watt power across the it. The generation of power is very low in the physioelectric sensor. That's why we required number of physioelectric sensor to produce the large amount of power to generate it. Thank you.
So I am Kaveri Vijay Ekule. I am delivering the information about the footstep power generation system. Footstep power generation system is used for to generate the voltage using footstep, and the modern result of this medium work as the generation of the power using force, and this is mainly used in the public places like theaters, shopping malls, schools, railway stations, buses, etc. And the future scope of this project is used wastage of the energy use utilization for the highly populated countries, used in dancing floors and the flooring tiles and dance floor. Europe is already experimenting on this project for the energy generation. The piezoelectric sensors are placed on the stairs of the bus. When the passengers step on that stair, the energy will be generated. That means the voltage will be generated by the piezo. Voltage will be generated, and this voltage is generated. It is stored in the battery. Then in battery, when the stairs are made up by the rubber, when the passenger walk or run on these stairs, and stairs, vibrations are absorbed by the stairs, and then it converting piezoelectric is converted into voltage energy, and then this is stored in the battery, and it is used in the dance floor. Europe is also experimenting on this project by using by the piezoelectric sensor in the dance floor, etc. Thank you.